Hi, welcome to this video. You can easily lift a subject from a photo background on your iPhone by touching and holding the subject until a glowing outline appears around it. So launch the Photos app and open a photo in full screen. So let's say this photo, right? Now touch and hold the subject until a glowing outline appears around it, just like now. Now all you gotta do is just take the photo, right? You can lift, instead of like lifting your finger, you can keep holding the subject and use another hand or finger to open like an app like Notes or Messages. So I'm gonna open Instagram for this case. Go to my DMs and just drop the photo here if allowed. Okay? And basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.